Hi friends, myself Deepa, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, K.S.Rangasamy College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Tiruchengode. Today we will going to discuss about the topic is time and work. This is one of the most important topic of the competitive exams. This time and work based on the types, they have to describe the 6 types. So the first one is based on the chain rule, efficiency, fraction of the work, work and wages, leaving, and the last one is X and Y persons. Now let us see based on the chain rule. The chain rule, we have to solve the problems based on these 2 formulas. The first formula, if the given question based on that work, so we have to use that first formula. So the second formula, if suppose they not give any work, we have to use that second formula. So here the numerator values we can replace the case 1, then denominator we can replace case 2 values. So here the P represent to number of persons, H represent to number of hours, D denotes by number of days, then W denotes by the work done by persons. So now we have to see the first example. So see here, in this question, 15 men can type 3240 pages, 6 days and 2 hours. Here we have to assume this is the first case. Then next one, how many men required to type 5400 pages in 4 hours, 3 days. So here we need to find how many person we need to complete the work. So here we assume P2 is a X because this is an unknown value. So this question from we know, here this question is based on the work. So here we replace all the values in that formula. So after simplification, we got the answer is 25. So here 25 men to need the complete the work in the case 2. So see here, 39 persons can repair road in 12 days, working 5 hours. So second case, 30 persons, 6 hours. So second case from we need to find how many days they take to complete the work. So this question is based on the formula number 2 because they not given any work. So we write the formula number 2, P1 H1 D1 equal to P2 H2 D2. So we replace all the values in this question. So after simplification, we got the answer is 13. So 13 days we need to complete the work. So these 2 problems is based on the chain rule. So our second type is the based on the efficiency. So efficiency problems is these 3 concepts are very important. See, the first one is A is 2 times efficient than B. So the meaning is compared to B, A is a 2 times faster work. For example, we assume A take 5 days to complete the work, means at the same time B take 10 days to complete the work. For example, A 3 times faster than B means here A take 2 days complete the work, at the same time B should take 6 days to complete the work. This is our concept 1. So see second concept, A is 50% more efficient than B. So compared to B, A is a 50% more efficient. So here A is 100% to complete the work, at the same time B should take 150% to complete the work. So this is our second concept. Compared to the 2 concept, third one is a similar difference. So see here, A takes 50% more time than B. So compared to B, A takes some extra days to complete the work. So here we assume A and B both persons complete the work in X days. But our concept wise, here A should take 50% some extra time. So here we include the A place in the plus 50% of X. So these 3 concepts are very important to solve the problems. So see our first example. Here the question, A is twice good workman as B. So compared to B, A is a twice good workman. So we assume A takes X days to complete the work. So the given statement wise, B should take 2x days to complete the work. So second point, B is twice good workman as C. Already we found B take 2x days to complete the work. So that is from we can write C should take 4x days to complete the work. So second statement, A and B together finish the work in 4 days. So here A we can write the form A plus B equal to 4 days. So next we have to convert in the form A plus B equal to 1 day's work. So we can write 1 divided by 4. Then next already we found A and B takes X days work and B takes 2X days work. So we convert the 1 day work. A in this place we can replace 1 by X plus 1 by 2X equal to 1 by 4. So after simplification we got the answer X equal to 6 days. So in this question from C can alone to complete the work in 24 days. So next example, In this question, A can do a piece of work in 70 days. So we write it, A takes 70 days to complete the work. So second statement, B is 40% more efficient than A. So here we assume A takes 140% to complete the work. At the same time, the statement wise B take 100% to complete the work. So next in this question, we need to find B, how many days B take to complete the work. So here we assume B working days in X. Then next we have write that the given values in equation form. So 70 equal to 140%, then X equal to 100%. Next we have to cross multiple. After simplification, we got the answer X equal to 50. So here we find the answer B take to complete the work in 15 days. So next type is a fraction of a work. So the fraction of the work is based on this two concepts. These two concepts very important to solve the problem. So see the first concept here. 2/3 of work complete by A in 10 days. So here we need to complete how many days A take to complete the work. So 2/3 of work equal to 10 days. So 2/3 of work done by A equal to 10 days. Now, so then 2/3 the reciprocal value is a 3/2. So here we simplify A complete the work in 15 days. So this is our first concept. So second one, see in this statement they gave A complete the whole work in 20 days. So they asked to find 2 by work done by. So 2 by work done means here we have to directly multiply the completed working days. So 2 by 5 into 20. So we got the answer 8 days. So 2 by work done by A in 8 days. So these two concepts are very important. So see our first example. See this example. Here A can do 1/2 of piece of work in 5 days. So this is from, we can write 1/2 of work equal to 5 days. So we need to find A completed the work. So see here simplify, we got the answer A take to complete the work in 10 days. Next second point, B can do 3 of the work in 9 days. So this is also similar to the A. So after simplify, we got B equal to 15 days to complete the work. Then third person, C can do 2/3 of the work completed in 8 days. So here we simplify, we got the answer C equal to 12 days. So finally they have to ask how many days they take all of them together to complete the work. So here we need to add 3% of working days. So the 3% working day we have to convert to 1 day works. So we write the form of A plus B plus C equal to that 1 day works. So after simplify, we got the answer equal to 4 days. So all of them together complete the work in here 4 days. So see our second example. So this question here, A done 4/5 of piece of work in 20 days. As usual, we have to find A completed the work. So here A complete the work in 25 days. Second one, he then calls in B and they finish the remaining work in 3 days. So already A did the work in 4/5 of work A completed. So that is from here we have to find the remaining work. So here 1 minus 4/5. So the remaining work is a 1/5. So the remaining work, the two peoples combine to complete the work. So we can write the form 1/5 into A plus B equal to 3. So A plus B the completed work in this 15 days. So we can write the form 1 day work. So we can write equal to 1 divided by 15. So this is from, we need to find how many days B take to complete the work. So we can replace A 1 day work in this first equation, A plus B equal to 1/15. So to replace 1 divided by 25 plus B equal to 1 divided by 15. After simplify, we got the answer B take 75 divided by 2 days to complete the work. So this problem is the based on that fraction. So next type. So next type is the work and wages. So work and wages, the solve the problems is based on these three concepts. So first we need to find 1 day work. So using the 1 day work, we have to find that ratio. That ratio from, we can easily find, we can easily solve that share. So see that first example. So the example here, A can do a work in 3 days. So our concept wise, first we need to find the 1 day work. So the question wise, A 1 day work is a 1/3. Next, B can do the same work in 2 days. So that is from, we can write B equal to 1/2 days. Next, both of them finish the work together, they get rupees 150. They finally asked, find the A person's share. our second point wise, A is to B equal to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 2. So this is simplify. We got the answer is 2 is to 3. So here we find that ratio. After ratio, we have to find the share of the person. So here the question they ask to find the A% share. So A% share means the overall working part is the sum of the ratio. Here ratio is a 2 is to 3. So sum of the ratio here 5. So overall working part is a 5. The given question they ask you to find the A% share. So here A working part is a out of 5 is 2. So here we can write the form 2 by 5 into 150 equal to 60. So here A% share is 60 rupees. So see second example. So this question also same. Here additionally one person is involved. I mean previous question we have to see about the 2% based. Here we have to see about the 3% based on the question. See the A and B under the work they got the amount is rupees 4,500. Then A alone do the work in 8 days. So first our first condition wise we have to convert the 1 day work. So we can write the form A equal to 1 by 8. Then next to B alone 12 days. So we can write B equal to 1 by 12. But this question they didn't give the C's working day. So this is from first we need to find C working day. Next one they gave all of them combined together finish the work in 4 days. So we can write the A plus B plus C equal to 4 days. Convert the 1 day work form in the 1 divided by 4. So already we known A and A, B 1 day work. So we replace that equation A plus B plus C equal to 1 by 4. Simplify we got the answer C equal to 1 divided by 24. So our first point is over. Second point we need to find the ratio. So how do we find it? A is to B is to C equal to that each person 1 day works. So we have write the ratio form. First we take to LCM in the denominator value. So here LCM is a 24 denominator. Then numerator we simplify. We got 3 is to 2 is to 1. So the denominator value is our ratio. So A is to B is to C equal to 3 is to 2 is to 1. So in this question they ask to find C% share. So C% share means here overall working part is a 6. So here C working part is a 1. I mean out of 6 is a 1%. So we can write C equal to 1 by 6 into the given amount is 4,500. So simplify we got C% share amount is 750. If suppose they ask to find A% share means here we have to take 3 divided by 6 into 4,500. After simplify we got A% share. So this problem is based on the work and wages. So next type is based on leaving. So this is a very simple question. 2 person is involved in work. One work means that in between any one person leaving. So that's the concept is the based on the leaving. So see here. A and B together complete the work in 3 days. So we can write the form easily. A plus B equal to the 1 day work 1 divided by 3. Next they started together but after 2 days B left. So at the starting point they both of them start the work but 2 days after B left the work. So we can write it A plus B equal to 2 by 3. So A and B together complete the work in 2 by 3 of the work they completed. So next we need to find remaining work because remaining work A alone only did. So remaining work equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. So the remaining work is 1 by 3. That is from we have to find it A is completed the working day. So A equal to 6 days. Next A equal to 6 days. So this is value we have to replace A plus B equal to 1 by 3. So A equal to 6 days. Now 1 day's work is a 1 by 6. So replace 1 by 6 plus B equal to 1 by 3. After simplify we got B equal to 6 days. So B take complete the work in 6 days. So see this is our last type X and Y persons. So in this method we have to apply the equation concept. I mean given question first we have to convert the equation form. After we have to simplify in this step by step. So see that first example 6 men and 8 boys can do a piece of work in 10 days. So we have to convert the equation form. So 6 men plus 8 boys equal to 10 days. So we assume this is the equation number 1. So second one 26 men 48 boys can complete the work in 2 days. So we keep this is the equation number 2. The next one, 15 men, 20 boys. This question they asked to how many days they take to complete the work. So here we assume 15 men plus 20 boys equal to x. Next we have to simplify equation 1 and 2. So we have to subtract the second equation minus first equation and also multiply the first equation into 6. So after simplification we got the answer 10 men equal to 1 by 10. We need to find one man work. So we have to change 10 into RHS side. So we have find the answer is m equal to 1 divided by 100. So in this m equal to 1 by 100 we can replace the equation number 1. So next we have to replace m and b values in equation 3. So first 15 into 1 man work 1 divided by 100 plus 20 into 1 boy work 1 divided by 200 equal to x. So after simplify we got the answer x equal to 4 days. That's it. Thank you.